If you are in the market for a great value mini chop cup that is good quality and also has a coin slot feature, stick around. In this video, we'll take a look at the Cupcake Pro, also known as Cupcake 2.0 by Milo Chen and Bacon Magic. I've seen it listed as the Cupcake Pro or Cupcake 2.0, but they are the same product. I will be using Cupcake Pro and Cupcake 2.0 interchangeably during this review. On the Bacon Magic website, there is also a Pro Plus version, which is what they sent me, but only seems to be available on their website. It comes in two colors, this matte black version and also a gold version. Here is what you will receive. It comes in a black cardboard box. For the Plus version, the only difference is you get two final load monkey fist balls. Inside this box, you will get the Cupcake 2.0 or Cupcake Pro. You remove the sleeves, and inside this black cardboard box, you will find a card to the instructional video and a velvet carrying bag. Inside, you will get three monkey fist balls. One is gimmicked and the other two are regular. And you will get the Cupcake Pro or 2.0. It is a metal cup. It is a metal cup. Here are some measurements of the Cupcake 2.0 or Cupcake Pro. The height of the cup is about 62 millimeters. The mouth of the cup measures approximately 50 millimeters in diameter. The inside of the mouth of the cup measures approximately 47 millimeters. The bottom of the cup is approximately 38 millimeters. The final load monkey fist ball you receive are about 42 millimeters in diameter, which is about the same as a golf ball. The working monkey fist balls you receive are about 26 millimeters or 1 inch in diameter. The bottom of the cup is not completely flat, and there is a slight recess or dimple, which allows a ball to rest nicely on top. This is not just a mini chop cup, but it also has a coin slot feature, like seen in some coin boxes. There are no coins provided with this set, but you can use any coins the same size as US Canadian half dollars. The tutorial you receive is hosted on the Murphy's Magic website and is only less than 9 minutes long. It goes through 3 routines you can do with the Cupcake Pro. The routines consist of a basic 3 coins across, and a more advanced 4 coins across, and also a coin to ball move. There is no talking in the tutorial video, and everything is taught in silence with just some background music, but it gets the job done. You can rewind it a few times if you miss some of the moves. Now, if you think that the tutorial is too short, Craig Petty has some ideas with the Cupcake 2.0, and he has posted a 1-hour-long video with the Cupcake 2.0 on his YouTube channel, sharing some of his ideas. You can just do a search on Craig's YouTube channel to find it. Here are some things that I don't like about the Cupcake 2.0. Being slightly on the taller and narrower side compared to the RNT2 Mini Don Allen, and being top heavy, it is prone to tipping over if you perform it on the palm of your spectator's hands, as it is not as stable. You get 3 working balls with the set, 2 regular and 1 gimmicked, which is great. The strength of the gimmick ball works perfectly with the Cupcake 2.0. However, I would have preferred that the working balls be of a smaller size, so that the contrast with the final load ball could be more drastic. The cup has this powder coated sort of paint or finish, which I find not as grippy compared to bare metal, as I sometimes drop this, so you have to be a little bit more careful. Now, who is this for? It is suitable for anyone who wants a mini chop cup. It is great for close-up and strolling. The Cupcake Pro comes in at $30 US, and the Plus version is $10 more. It is a very affordable and very good value mini chop cup. I do prefer the Mini Don Allen from RNT2, but this is a great alternative. Not to mention, it also has the slot feature. It may not be perfect, but at this very affordable price, it is a very great value. If you want something better quality and in different metals, I suggest you check out R&T2 for their mini Don Allen range. I would like to thank Bacon Magic for sending this to me so that I can do this review for you. Do hit the like button if you found this video useful. Subscribe if you haven't already. Here are some other videos for you to watch next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.